Hello, good morning po mga minamahal ko manonood. Once again, this is Nelson TV Official. Our YouTube channel, Nelson TV Official, is back on air. Officially back on air. Same thing with the other one. The name is Nelson, Daddy Nelson Vlog. Right now, I'm here in Philippines. It's my day 2. Alright? So guys, gusto nyo samahan nyo muna ako. Ito kwarto ko kayo, no? Ito ako nagkukwarto. Ito yung binigay ko yung pagkain ko ito. Kakakain ako. Tulog pa sila lahat eh. They're still all sleeping, alright? And this is, tignan nyo, no? Our family picture right there. Let me see. Let me show that thing right there. That picture that thing. Sana. Hindi makita. That's our family picture together. Right there is Ate Evelyn, the middle one, the one that's standing right there, the 3 girls, is Ate Verona and Ate Virginia. And of course, in the middle that's sitting down is my mom. And right there, next to me, okay, isa lang naman ang lalaki dyan eh. Of course, lalaki yan, hindi hadal ako eh. That is Nelson, me, and Ate Linda, and Vilma, the youngest one. Okay? Alright. This is where I base. Pangit ate buko, pangit. Tawa-tawa na bali. Wala ka dyan. Always be happy. Forget about problem. All the problem must be, faced and solved in a proper way. Sa nga bathroom. Okay, kakain muna ako. Almusal guys. Second day in America. So probably I'm gonna go down there to the market and check out what's going on, and if I saw something, better or something that I could able to video, so be it, I'll do that though. Alright? Bakit salamin natin? May tayong salamin sa labas. Minamanas na ako dito. Hindi ko pa nakita yung motorsiklo nito. Siguro pupunta ako sa kabilang bahay. Titignan ko yung motorsiklo ni Rachel. At kung mapapatakbo ko, papatakbuhin ko ha. Pero siyempre, doon naman tayo maglalagay sa mga open places. Open places. What the heck? Shout out po sa lahat na manonood ng Nelson TV. Nelson TV Special, Nelson TV Official. At sa lahat din po na manonood ng Daddy Nelson Vlog. At Nel TV 65. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Hindi po kakalimutan. I love you all. Dito sa puso. Boom! Right now, all my gadget is being fixed. Is already on position. Other one is right there. So, I'm still going out to buy something to make my data firm. To make it stable so that I could be able to do some videos that is like, live. Okay. So then, what's up? Madlang people, this is Nelson po. Muli nagsasabing, mahal ko po kayong lahat. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ganitong uri ng aking mga pagbablog, so be it. Just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you guys are always be notified ni Meta at ni YouTube. Maraming salamat po. At naman tao, parang gising. Kahit anong angulo gawin natin, hindi nagbabago pag ganun pa rin eh. Okay lang yan. P-A-N-G-I-T. Alright. Big thumb up. Sige guys. Bye-bye muna. At thank you so much for everything. Oh, next to me is right there. She just, show up. Datagpakilala ka. Good morning sa iyo mo. Oh.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm Christina.
Mangilag.
Ay,
Ay, hindi na kailangan ibigay pang apelido.
Oo, Christina.
I didn't know that. I'm just a rookie. Alright, so now I know. So, next time I don't have to say the last name of a person that I always met whenever I go. Only my name. Don't forget my name, Nelson Cabanag, alright? Sama niya na sa inyong puso. Sama niya na sa inyong isipan. For mayor. Kakandidato pala ng mayor. Dahil biro lang po. Dahil kinakailangan po tayo magpasaya. Yun nga naman po ang ating layunin sa pagbablog. Tayo makapagbigay saya kahit na konting tulong sa abot ng ating makakaya. Mula sa puso. Love you all. OFW, mga minamahal kayo, mga nalulungkot dyan. Basta nalulungkot, ako nalulungkot din eh. Okay, bye. Just, 7:40. Time check po tayo. Siguro po, ang oras ngayon na, siguro duwi mo. 6:57 po AM ng August 7 dito po sa Pilipinas. At, as what I said, we will do all the best we could so that we could able to help out other people who are being, helpless, who are being abandoned of some kind of situation or scenario on their lives. Tama ba yung English na yan? Okay. Alright. Serious. Okay. At siyempre, to all people that are in needs to be helped. Kasi na lang naman siguro yung 2 kilong bigas na ibibigay natin. Okay na yan. Alright. Ay, pakain. Oh, pakain pala. Pakain, pantay ng pan. Oh, tama, sabay na natin sa birthday natin, pakain. May libreng lugaw. tatlong kawaling lugaw kahit sa mga bata, no? No? Pwede. Free. Okay, guys. It's time to go. Bye-bye. Till next time. Bye-bye.